Hello love, today is a barefaced day. Today we will do our eyebrows at home, for which we will need only two products, aloe vera gel and eyebrow razor. Product links will be down below at the description box. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So first of all, we will use some aloe vera gel and spread it over the eyebrow portion. Here you can use any kind of thick cream, even you can use any antiseptic cream. Now place your razor flat on your skin and swap against the hair growth. You have to be very careful here. See, you can draw your eyebrow beforehand with eyebrow product, so that you know that where you have to swipe the razor and where not. I am doing my eyebrows at home for last 8 to 9 years, so I kinda have practice on that. So if you are beginner, then you have to be very careful. So you can pull your skin for a better grip with another hand. Now just follow your eyebrow line. Waxing and threading is not always good for skin, because sensitive skin reacts very quickly with that. I get bumps whenever I wax or thread my eyebrows, so I always prefer to use razor for my eyebrows, because I feel it is easy to use more than waxing or threading. Now take this kind of scissor and trim off the excess eyebrow hair length. Now use any kind of gel or aloe vera gel again to soothe the skin. So yeah, that's it. So we are done with our eyebrow. I have used some concealer to cover the pigmentations. So if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up.